This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs with tomatoes and onions. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large, ripe tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, and 3 fresh eggs. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, plus salt and pepper to season. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This dish is quick, easy, and perfect for any meal. Now, let's get our vegetables ready. Begin by washing your 2 large tomatoes thoroughly under cool water. Then, dice them into small, consistent pieces, about 1/2 inch in size. Next, peel your medium onion and chop it finely. Smaller pieces will cook down more quickly and evenly, blending well with the eggs. Keep the diced tomatoes and chopped onions in separate bowls for the next step. It's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them for about 3 minutes until they become translucent and fragrant. Then, stir in the diced tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes, allowing them to soften. Finally, crack your 3 eggs directly into the pan and gently scramble them with the cooked vegetables until they are set to your liking. Almost done. Once your eggs are cooked to your preferred consistency, it's time to season. Add salt and pepper generously to taste, stirring gently to ensure the flavors are well distributed throughout the dish. This simple seasoning really enhances the natural sweetness of the tomatoes and the savory eggs. Serve your delicious eggs with tomatoes and onions immediately, perhaps with a side of toast or a fresh salad. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.